Meet Hire Mia, your new AI campaign assistant. In this video, you'll learn how Mia can help you build out an entire campaign to promote your upcoming event. First, let's have Mia help generate a list of promotion ideas. You can use this list to narrow down which tactics you want to use to promote your event and connect with your potential attendees. Now it's time for Mia to help you create a campaign to promote your event. Ask her to draft assets like promotional social messages, an email, and a Facebook event description to get started. Mia remembers your event details from creating your list of promotion ideas, so she can create content based on the event details you gave her in the first chat. Mia will get to work writing out first drafts of your content for you. She will create a new document for each deliverable to make review and editing a breeze. Something not quite right? You can make edits to any content with quick prompts or inline editing tools to adjust the tone, structure, or length of your promotional content. As you click through each document, you can see how Mia customizes your event strategy for each deliverable. Have to move the date of your event? Updating copy across your documents is easy. Ask Mia to make updates on all of your documents to make sure the copy is up to date with the latest information. If you need to plan a marketing campaign for an upcoming event, promotion, or product launch, Mia can help with that. Get started with Hire Mia today.